All right, well, this is John Deere split in two pieces, guys. It wasn't too bad, actually. Had a couple wires that were still attached, had to remove them. And then I came to find out that John Deere was kind enough to supply us with a disconnect right behind, in between the motor, after I had already disconnected all these wires. Which kind of sucked. But hey, we learn, right? Now, if you look, this is the first portion of the tractor by the cab side. Over here, you'll see the thrust bearing looks a little worn out. And the actual clutch itself looks in horrible shape. And we'll get into this a little bit more tomorrow when I come back, because this guy is tired and he's gonna go to bed. Just wanted to show you two pieces of the tractor of the 5510, and I'll reference to the beginning of this story in about a few days when I put it all back together, so we can get back to separating it. Like I said, my bracket seemed to have worked just great. I did have to adjust the height on the cab side a little. We were off and it was resting on the bolts. You can see by the wear on the bolts right there, it was actually resting on it. So when I was pulling away, it gave it more friction than it used supposed to have, which was why it wasn't really separating in the beginning. But we are separated now. Everything has been taken off, all the wires. But please, when you're doing this, if you're gonna do this, remove the battery first before you start anything, because that will be one of those things that's gonna bite you in the rear when you're trying to get stuff going. But good luck, and I'll get back to you guys on the disassembly of this 5510.